It usually starts with a message. Someone says this coin is about to explode. You open the chart. It is already pumping. Green candles everywhere. People in the comments are screaming that you are still early. Your heart beats faster. You do not want to miss another opportunity. So you buy. You did not check the website carefully. You did not read the white paper. You did not verify the team. You did not study the tokenomics. You bought emotion. A few days later, the price drops. The excitement disappears. The same people who were loud are now silent. And you are left with one question. What did I actually buy? That moment is where real investors are born. Because in crypto, the difference between gambling and investing is research. This is how you do your own research properly. Step 1. Understand the problem. Every serious crypto project exists to solve something. Faster payments. Lower fees. Decentralized finance. Gaming infrastructure. Data storage. Artificial intelligence integration. Real-world asset tokenization. If you cannot explain clearly what the project does and why it matters, you should not invest. Go to the official website. Read the homepage slowly. Not just the slogans. The details. Then download and read the white paper. The white paper explains the vision, the technology, and the long-term plan. If the white paper is vague, copied, or full of buzzwords without explanation, that is a warning sign. Step 2. Verify the team. Who built this project? Go to LinkedIn. Search their names. Do they have real work history? Have they built successful products before? Are they experienced in blockchain, finance, or technology? If the team is anonymous, ask yourself why. Some projects succeed with anonymous founders, but it increases risk. You must understand that. Check Twitter. Are the founders active? Do they communicate during market crashes? Or do they only appear during hype? Strong teams build consistently, even when price is down. Step 3. Analyze the tokenomics. Go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Study the token supply. What is the total supply? What is the circulating supply? Is more supply unlocking soon? Token unlocks can create heavy selling pressure. Check the holders section on blockchain explorers like Etherscan or BSCScan. Are a few wallets holding most of the supply? If one wallet controls a huge percentage, that creates risk. Look at distribution. Healthy distribution reduces manipulation risk. Step 4. Check liquidity and trading volume. On CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, look at daily trading volume. Low volume means price can move violently in either direction. Go to decentralized exchange trackers like DexTools or DexScreener. Check liquidity pools. If liquidity is low, large buys and sells can crash price easily. Step 5. Evaluate community strength. Go to Twitter, Telegram, Discord. Are conversations intelligent? Are developers answering technical questions? Or is it only price talk and moon emojis? Will communities discuss development updates, partnerships, and long-term vision? Artificial communities focus only on price. Step 6. Review the roadmap. Every serious project has a roadmap. Clear milestones. Clear timelines. Have previous milestones been achieved? Go back in their Twitter history. Compare promises to delivery. Execution matters more than promises. Step 7. Analyze competitors. No project exists alone. If it is a layer 1 blockchain, compare it to Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche. If it is a meme coin, compare it to previous successful meme coins. If it is a gaming token, compare it to other blockchain gaming ecosystems. What makes this different? faster speed, lower fees, stronger partnerships. If you cannot find a unique advantage, growth may be limited. Step 8. Study on-chain data. Use platforms like Glassnode or Dune Analytics. Look at wallet growth, transaction volume, active addresses. If the network is growing steadily, that is healthy. If price is rising but activity is flat, that may be speculative hype. Step 9. Understand the market cycle. Research is not just about the project. It is about timing. Is the overall market in accumulation, markup, distribution, or markdown? If you buy a strong project during a bear market, patience is required. If you buy during peak euphoria, risk increases. Zoom out. Look at Bitcoin dominance. Look at total crypto market cap charts. Context changes everything. Step 10. Challenge your excitement. Ask yourself hard questions. What could go wrong? What would make this project fail? Is regulation a risk? Is competition too strong? Is the technology too early? If you cannot identify risks, you are emotionally attached. An emotional attachment is dangerous in investing. Doing your own research takes time. It is not as thrilling as chasing a pump. It requires reading, comparing, verifying, thinking. But it builds something powerful. Conviction. When you understand what you own, you react differently. If price dips but fundamentals remain strong, you stay calm. If price pumps aggressively beyond reasonable valuation, you consider risk. You become strategic instead of reactive. Most people lose money in crypto not because opportunities do not exist, but because they outsource their thinking. They rely on influencers, friends, anonymous posts. But influencers do not manage your money. You do. Doing your own research does not guarantee success. But it dramatically increases your odds. Because now your decisions are based on information, not impulse. Crypto rewards those who are patient, informed, and disciplined. The next time someone tells you a coin is about to explode, pause. Open the website. Read the white paper. Check CoinMarketCap. Verify the team on LinkedIn. Review the roadmap. Study holders on Etherscan. Analyze liquidity on DEX tools. Observe community discussions. Compare competitors. Understand the market cycle. Then decide. When you do this consistently, something changes. You stop feeling fear during crashes. You stop feeling blind greed during pumps. You start seeing structure. And in a market driven by emotion, clarity becomes your advantage. That is how you do your own research in crypto. Not once. Not quickly. But every single time. And that discipline is what separates long-term winners from temporary participants. Here's the truth. Doing your own research doesn't guarantee profits. But it protects you from emotional decisions. It gives you conviction. It transforms you from someone who follows hype into someone who understands value. Crypto is not a lottery. It's a battlefield of information. And the most informed survive. If you found this valuable, and you want real education, not hype, subscribe to Crypto Palace. This channel is built for thinkers. For disciplined investors. For people who want long-term success. No paid shills. No pump signals. Just research, strategy, and clarity. Subscribe now. And start moving like smart money. Because in crypto, knowledge isn't optional. It's your edge.